Most people think automation is complicated. They hear words like AI or automation and assume it's only for programmers or tech experts. But what if I told you that a few simple tools can save you hours every week without coding, without technical skills, and without changing your daily routine? These tools don't replace you. They replace busy work. Most people feel overwhelmed not because they're lazy, but because they're doing too many things manually that no longer need human effort. Today, I'll show you 5 beginner-friendly AI tools that quietly automate your life, reduce mental stress, and give you back time, starting immediately. Welcome to Lazy Automation, where we build smart systems so you don't have to work harder to get ahead. Tool number 1, ChatGPT for summarization. Think about how much of your day is spent reading emails, PDFs, articles, meeting notes, long documents that could have been short. Most people think they're being productive, but they're really just consuming information all day. This is where ChatGPT becomes incredibly useful. You can paste in a long email thread, a document, or even a full article, and ChatGPT will summarize it into clear, simple bullet points in seconds. Instead of reading 10 pages, you get the key ideas immediately. Instead of spending 20 minutes trying to understand something, you get clarity in under a minute. This is especially helpful for students, employees, and business owners who constantly feel behind or overloaded with information. Once you start using ChatGPT this way, going back to manual reading feels completely unnecessary. Tool number 2, Grammarly for writing faster. Writing is one of the biggest hidden time drains. Emails that take 10 minutes to write. Messages you rewrite over and over. Documents that sound almost right, but not quite. This is where tools like Grammarly shine. You can write something quickly and imperfectly, and Grammarly instantly cleans it up. It fixes grammar, rewrites awkward sentences, shortens long explanations, and makes your writing sound clear and professional. You're still in control of what you say. The tool just removes friction. Even people who hate writing suddenly communicate better. For many people, Grammarly alone saves several hours every single week. Tool number 3, Zapier for task automation. Have you ever caught yourself thinking, why am I doing this again? If a task repeats, it can probably be automated. This is exactly what Zapier is designed for. Zapier connects your apps together so they work automatically in the background. For example, when a new email arrives, it gets saved to a folder. When someone fills out a form, the data goes straight into a spreadsheet. When you write a note, it automatically becomes a task. There's no coding involved. You just tell Zapier, when this happens, do that. You set it up once, and it runs quietly in the background forever. This is often the moment when people realize how powerful automation actually is, because work simply disappears without effort. Tool number 4, Otter.ai for meetings and notes. Meetings aren't always the problem. The problem is everything that happens after the meeting. Rewatching recordings. Trying to remember decisions. Missing action items. This is where Otter.ai becomes incredibly valuable. Otter automatically listens to meetings, transcribes everything that's said, and generates clean summaries and action points. Instead of watching a 1-hour recording, you read a 1-minute summary. Even better, you can search past meetings like documents. If meetings are a regular part of your week, this tool alone can reclaim hours of lost time. Tool number 5, ChatGPT as a personal AI assistant. ChatGPT isn't just for summaries. Many people also use it as a personal AI assistant, essentially a second brain. You can use ChatGPT to plan projects, organize ideas, create schedules, or think through decisions step by step. Instead of holding everything in your head, you offload mental clutter into a system that remembers for you. This reduces stress more than people realize. When your brain isn't overloaded, you think clearer, work better, and feel calmer. Once you start using ChatGPT this way, it's hard to imagine going back. Why automation actually matters. Automation isn't about being lazy. It's about protecting your attention. Most people aren't unproductive. They're exhausted. They spend energy on tasks that don't deserve it. Smart systems quietly outperform effort every time. The goal isn't to do nothing. The goal is to do less of what doesn't matter. Who these tools are for. If you feel overwhelmed, if your to-do list never ends, if you're busy all day but still feel behind. These tools weren't made for tech experts. They were made for normal people who want their time back. Closing. Start with just one tool. Don't overthink it. Automation compounds. The earlier you start, the easier everything becomes. Subscribe to Lazy Automation. If you want systems that work quietly in the background while you focus on what actually matters. All the tools mentioned are linked below. Work less. Automate smarter.